Scientists have issued a disturbing warning that the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way, Sagittarius A*, SGR A*, could be activated and release a giant radio jet. If this happens, it could have serious consequences for the stability of the galaxy and our solar system. A recent study has shown that it is not just elliptical galaxies that can produce powerful jets, but even spiral galaxies can experience this process. This could mean that the Milky Way is not immune to a similar event in the future, in the universe. Many supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies can generate giant jets of charged particles that travel at nearly the speed of light. These jets contain an enormous amount of energy and can significantly influence the fate of their host galaxies. Previously, scientists have mainly observed this phenomenon in elliptical galaxies, but new research has confirmed the existence of a radio jet 6 million light-years long from a giant spiral galaxy called 2MASS J2345326 This galaxy is about 3 times larger than the Milky Way and contains a supermassive black hole with a mass up to billions of times of the Sun notably. The huge jet emitted by its black hole has prevented the formation of new stars, even though the galaxy still has a lot of material capable of creating stars around it. Scientists have found that the galaxy is surrounded by a halo of hot gas that emits X-rays, and as this gas cools, the jets from the black hole act as a cosmic melting pot, preventing new stars from forming. So what does this mean for the Milky Way? The center of our galaxy also hosts a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, with mass about 4 million times of the Sun currently. This black hole is dormant and does not emit any jets. However, if SGR A* were to one day swallow a star, a dwarf galaxy, or a large gas cloud, it could wake up and release giant jets, similar to what has happened to other galaxies in the past. In fact, scientists have observed stars being torn apart as they approach supermassive black holes in other galaxies, creating incredibly powerful jets. If this were to happen in the Milky Way, the consequences could be dire. Scientists have come up with 3 possible scenarios. The first is that SGR A*, S-jets could change the way gas, dust, and other matter interact in the galaxy, affecting the rate of star formation in certain regions. The second is that a sudden surge in radiation could trigger mass genetic mutations on Earth, increasing the risk of extinction for species that cannot adapt. The most dangerous scenario, however, is that these jets could completely destroy the atmospheres of planets in the affected area. For Earth, this could lead to severe ozone depletion, making cosmic radiation more dangerous and potentially wiping out all life on our planet. While this scenario is very worrying, researchers also point out that not every galaxy with a supermassive black hole will meet its endgame. For example, despite experiencing powerful jets, 2MASS J2345326 survived intact. The main reason is thought to be its material composition. Compared to the Milky Way, this galaxy has 10 times more dark matter. Scientists believe that it is the dark matter that helps maintain the galaxy's stability, helping to balance the effects of the supermassive black hole and its jets. This raises an important question. Will dark matter play a role in protecting the Milky Way if SGR A* ever awakens? Dark matter remains one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Scientists hope that studying rare galaxies like 2MASS J2345326 will help us better understand the nature of dark matter, the invisible forces that control the universe, and the long-term fate of galaxies, including our own. While the Milky Way has not yet been affected by the giant jets, the research is an important reminder that the universe is constantly moving and changing. Continued observations of Sagittarius A* and further research on supermassive black holes will help humanity better prepare for what may happen in the future. If the black hole at the center of our galaxy does one day wake up, will Earth be lucky enough to be outside its sphere of influence? The answer remains to be seen, but it is clearly a question that science must continue to pursue to ensure the survival of our planet in this vast universe.